Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by opening Copecart and completing verification so payouts actually arrive. This prevents delays later. Once done, pick a narrow niche and identify 3 products that fit your audience. Make sure to set realistic commission goals, aim for 20 to 50% per sale, and prepare basic promo assets, headlines, banners, and an email sequence draft. Now connect your payment preferences and tax info so you can receive earnings. Then move straight into product selection inside Copecart. Next, focus on tracking and campaign structure. You must add UTM parameters and your affiliate tag to every Copecart link so you can attribute traffic. Use a redirect domain for clean, branded links. Then build a landing page and split test 2 headlines and CTAs to learn what converts. Make sure to install conversion pixels and set cookie duration inside Copecart. Finally, configure email follow-ups and simple automation to recover abandoned carts and increase average order value. This is where most gains happen. Now launch your campaign using 1 paid channel and 1 organic channel so you can compare performance. Monitor CPA closely and pause poorly performing ads fast. Once you see a winning creative and funnel, scale budgets by 10 to 30% increments and duplicate the winning setup across audiences. Keep optimizing creatives and copy weekly. If things go wrong, troubleshoot by verifying pixel firing, UTM syntax, and that your affiliate tag routes correctly inside Copecart. Fixing these usually restores accurate reporting and payouts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.